Hello people, my name is Zano and मैं वापस लेके आई हूँ एक और nice video. I am here today with another food video because I love food. Okay. So basically I am here to give you a guide or basically guide you about all these nice places जहाँ पर अच्छे food items मिल जाते हैं and basically about what kind of food कहाँ पर available है ताकि आप अपने हिसाब से अपना list कर सकें कि if you ever visit this place you don't get lost. So आज हम जाएंगे होक्काइडो एंड आई एम नॉट श्योर हम लोग क्या बेसिकली वहाँ ट्राई करने वाले हैं तो लेट्स गो एंड सी एंड टेक अ लुक एट दिस प्लेस टुगेदर. वाओ, आई मीन द फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन आई एम गेटिंग इज आई मीन इफ यू गो टू सी DLF मॉल्स एंड स्टफ इस तरह की मतलब ओके दिस इज थोड़ा डिफरेंट है बट उसका जो सेटिंग्स है वो एकदम ऐसा करते हैं कि नो यू गो टू DLF मॉल्स एंड स्टफ तो आपको ऑलमोस्ट उस तरह का मिलता है शॉप्स. Okay, traditional dishes, innovative creations. I'm excited to know what innovative creations mean, but yeah. Local delicacies from every region. Yani, I think Hokkaido ka alag regions. For example, Hotaru City is famous for its seafood. How many of you like seafood? I mean, I'm excited to know because I like seafood, but of course not every seafood. But हाँ मुझे seafood पसंद है. Wow, this okay. What the hell? It's alive. I mean, how? I mean, that's a crab. भाई वहाँ को अंदर कैसे रहते हैं मतलब बाहर निकलने का मन नहीं करता उनको. I mean, what if they're very big? I mean, क्या पता अगर वो बाहर निकले तो मतलब just like I would like to have this crab. Oops, it just bit my hand. I mean, bruh. Huh? I mean, how do they just like? Okay, what are these? I think they're mussels and seashells, I think. And the other thing I'm very... Seagar Park. See, I remember it. So there's this Bengali market जहाँ पर मतलब आपको fishes मिल जाती हैं and stuff. तो वहाँ पर when I went last time, it kind of like stinks. But I'm not sure. I mean, like if you have fishes around, तो I mean थोड़ा बहुत तो stink थोड़ा करेगा ही. But I'm curious. मतलब I wish we could know कि does it stink there? मतलब मछली की स्मेल तो आती होगी ना मतलब I mean I love fish. Actually अगर मैं सही बात करूँ तो I like fish more than any other non-veg. मतलब non-veg में अगर देखें तो मुझे seafood बहुत पसंद है. Soy sauce buttercorn ramen. I mean I like the ramen part and then there's rich flavor buttercorn. Okay, so there's one thing I'm not sure if that's like what everyone follows, but when I have fish I make sure I don't have any milk product with it. I'm sure इसमें हो जाएगा. So we have this habit of मतलब अच्छा करी वाला मसाला fish and something. Ramen के साथ I think it sounds really nice, but I'm not sure if you know if this one is something which I would like to eat. But it looks so good. Gourmet food at New Chitose Airport. Okay, 1956. That's a long time. Hokkaido cuisine. Okay, so basically हर region का इसमें अलग अलग region के cuisines हैं मतलब कहाँ क्या मिलता है. For example हमारे if you talk about India तो if you know about लिट्टी चोखा वो बिहार से मिलता है. So I think it's about that कि region wise कहाँ पर क्या मिलता है. That's interesting. Okay, this is the one they were eating, I think. It's like ramen with what was that? It was a fish. Okay. Wow. Okay. I'm not sure about the it looks cooked. Is it cooked? I mean it's grey. Is it supposed to be grey instead of red? Or maybe you just I think वो उसको अगर उस तरह treat किया जाए cook किया जाए थोड़ा grey हो जाता है. Okay. Then the gourmet food in Asahikawa City. I pronounced it right. Yes. Okay, due to its great popularity, the ramen Santoka became a cup ramen. Oh, interesting. Convenience stores in Shio Ramen and Gyoza. Okay. This looks so fancy. I mean, the restaurant, right? Well, I like how जो वो लोग curtains लगा होता है ना. I mean उसको देख के सिर्फ मुझे सिर्फ Ichiraku ramen याद आ जाता है. And we have ramen soup, I guess. I don't see the ramen anywhere, but soup दिख रहा है. That's nice. I mean, looks like it's some, I don't know, some. There you go. There's ramen. Okay, now तो याद आ गया. Oh, okay. So I'm not sure बट आई फील लाइक इसको कोई भी अगर इंडिया में अगर आप दिल्ली में रहते हो तो आपको मोमोज पता होगा. मुझे जहाँ तक आई नो इट्स कॉल्ड समथिंग एल्स बट आई फील लाइक व्हेनेवर आई सी दिस मुझे सिर्फ मोमोज याद आता है. It was like I think it's gyoza, that's what it's called. And मुझे वो देख के सिर्फ मोमोज याद आते हैं. Fried momos. I used to like momos a lot, but somehow like exceeding my limit to eat it, I think I got a lot of stomachache. Okay, this looks nice with like eggs and spring onions super. I think it's okay, so I've observed like there's a lot of soupy stuff, you know, with like rice or noodles and stuff. So this looks nice. It's an egg, but ऐसे क्यों लग रहा है कि उस egg पे कुछ लिखा हुआ है? Okay. लिखा हो सकता है. What was that? Okay. Anyways, I would like to request writing my name on the egg. If I can. ये हमारा डोसा लग रहा है. I mean, of course, it's not dosa. I'm sure it's not. I think ये gyoza है, उसको turn upside down कर दिया. But वो देख के डोसा लग रहा है. हमारा इंडियन डोसा वहाँ क्या कर रहा है? Anyways, okay. Let's go to another place. Gourmet food in Frano City. So, okay, you get a curry. Omelette curry. Oh, I've tried this. So basically, I think there's a restaurant which जहाँ मैंने try किया है, दिल्ली में ही है. I think it was in a mall. जहाँ मैंने curry, rice and omelette basically try किया. And it's the best. I mean, I know कि हमारा जो style होता है, जो Indian curry होता है, I think it tastes very different. But this was not bad. This was actually nice. I mean, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो करी जो जापान में होता है वो काफ़ी डिफरेंट होता है इंडियन करी से. एंड द टेस्ट वाज डिफरेंट. आई मीन आई एम श्योर ये वाला होकाइडो जो में है उसमें अलग टेस्ट होगा, बट द वन आई हैड वाज लाइक सुपर डिफरेंट एंड इट वाज एक्चुअली वेरी टेस्टी. एंड एक प्लेट काफ़ी होता है, मतलब मेरा छोटा सा पेट है तो मैं खा जा लेती हूँ, बट आई मीन इट्स इनफ फॉर लाइक वन पर्सन आई थिंक. एंड इवन सी आई मीन इट लुक्स गुड, बट आई मिल्क. Why would you have milk with that? But okay, I mean, if probably that's how you keep dishes together. I think we would. See, so I think there's a special way of making this omelette. मैंने शायद बनाते हुए देखा है. So they put it like they omelette को या egg को they beat it और fry pan में डाल के and then chopstick से वो थोड़ा twirl करते हैं, तो वो like kind of volcano type का. It looks really nice and it tastes very good. So I think one thing जो मुझे पूरी वीडियो में जो मैंने try कर रखा है वो है the omrice, which is actually very good. So if I have to recommend one food to you, I think that's one thing you should try. It's a safe food to go for the first time if you go there. I think that'd be a very nice one. So okay, so we come to the end of the video and well, what kind of seafood do you like? आपको कौन सा seafood पसंद है वो बिल्कुल आप comments में लिखिए. That'll be interesting. We'll talk about seafood maybe in a separate video because I think seafood is healthiest. मुझे लगता है कि उसमें सबसे ज़्यादा कम्फर्ट होता है and of course it has omega 3, so it's healthy. Okay, so I really love healthy food. That's my secret. I eat healthy. I eat more. I eat healthy. So maybe that's a lesson to be learned. And yeah, so we come to the end of the video. आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं. Of course, like the video and subscribe for more such videos. And yeah, so मिलते हैं आपको next video में. Bye.